Hello guys, this is Sopp. It's been a while. Happy New Year. I've been busy with my business to make animation. Yeah, anyway, today I'm gonna make my Gundam Blue Destiny's leg part based on Dynamesh and using two tools. Planar Flatten brush and my knife. Click up. Let's go. Before that, see, this is the completed version of Blue Destiny bodies. You can see how they are separated like this. This is not totally separated. Actually, it will be made of a resin kit. Yeah, figure. Open the leg patch. This is a leg patch. Okay. Yeah, see. You can see the very simple surface without any panel line and details because this is a version 1.5 version modification. Version number 1 is the C. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Oh, not here. Okay, you can see this is a RX-78 version leg part. You can see the very complicated, but it's very simple. And this is a final version. And you can see this completed model on my website www.sopp.co. It's a 1:4 scales, very small and very high detail. This 3 parts is the core. Of course, it's not movable. Yeah, this is a statue, not moving action figure. Very simple, and as a core, I try to make this separated to make easy. So we're gonna use Dynamesh and here, clicker, right? Okay. So I'm gonna make this part very simply because this is an invisible part and just the core to make the kit really durable. So okay, move core parts, bottom the rear side part, and okay. So the core part make a subtract. Press the subtract and merge it down together. See? And Dynamesh. See? Very clean, right? Make empty. Oh, sorry. Make empty. And one thing you should know, when Dynamesh has done, you can see the polygroup is separated. See the purple colors and see the red colors. So we make this one color. Command W or Control W. Make one part. See? Yeah, and the Dynamesh. And also make a side front part. Make a empty inside. So it's the same. The core part. Oh, I need to modify things very simply. Use the planar. See? Planar Flatten. This is a brush and Planar Flatten. Planar Flatten. This make the very simply. Very plate. Yeah, see? Very clean, right? And command drag is the make Dynamesh clean. And see? Before after. And also I just used the planar brush, no mirrors, with no mirrors, so you can see the just the one side clean. And if you make the mirror, see, modify topology, see the mirror and where, check the X and press, see, very simple. Or press X, see, again. Okay, very clean. This core part is, I told you, this core part is the invisible part, so I don't care with the detail and things, just durable. So that's very simple, right? And one more thing, so we need to make it easy when the part, this part and this part make clear to easy assembly. So cut this like this. Or see, and also cut this here to avoid difficult assembly. So okay, and duplicate again, and move this board bottoms of a prototype, see, and the core, check the subtract and click the front part and merge it down, so you can see the two parts together, one part. You should know, for the subtract Dynamesh, it's separated polygroup 1 and 1, you know. So okay, shift check the Dynamesh and control drag or command drag, and see, very clean. And this is the just this this surface is very not good, so we're gonna make this clear, and but very difficult to see clear like this, so we just need to use the select rectangle. See, I just need one side, so I press X one more thing and check and see the very clear. So make it small. It's not good, so make it small. Here, and okay, we need the polygroup together, command double and drag Dynamesh, and also this and this different, yeah, right? So when in this case, use the mirror and well, see. You should know one thing more. The function of a mirror and well is based on left side. Okay, when you use like this, see, and use the mirror and well, see, but use this right side and mirror well. See, every time this left side is the base. Okay, and as you can see, this is a waist turning part. Also, we need this part to be subtract. So, and this, so we make this and duplicate. So, down, and front part, and this part make the check the subtract and also merge down. See, and it's the same. Check the Dynamesh, command or control drag on the background. See, and also check this separated polygon. We use command W, make one polygon, and control drag. Make it very simple. See, and also the part duplicate and moving down towards side rear parts, and also check the subtract and merge down and make the control or command click drag. Wow, it's very simple. You can see this is a little dirty, but it's not matter. So for the first, we make a command W, one polygon, and just Dynamesh one more thing, one more to make it clear, and make this little big and use the planar brush, make this very clear. Wow, very simple, huh? But I need to make this more clearly. So like this and like this, okay? Shoop, 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 shoop. Wow, it's very simple. And easy, huh? Every my sculpting is repeat this process every time. Dynamesh, subtract and curve and check, select and use clicker, cutting and see like this. When you make a this panel line straight, check first and press shift drag. It's very simple, right? So okay, you know, it's very simple, not difficult. You can see this four parts with use the Dynamesh and the clicker and just the Planar Flatten. Just repeat this process of my sculpting. All the parts made of clicker, planar and Dynamesh subtract. Very simple, you know. See this part, just separate every part. So okay, today's done. Please sum up and subscribe. Make a reply. Yeah, thank you. See you next time.